So now we're going to do an outline stitch. So what you need to do is bring your needle up through at the end of your line and then create your first stitch. Your second stitch then sits in between your first and second in and out and pulls that thread tight so that it sits over the top. And then you're going to go on to create your second stitch. And instead of pulling that tight again, you're going to bring the needle back up through in between the first and second in and out and at the end of your first stitch and pull that through. And then go on again to create your third stitch. Bring the needle back up through at the end here and pull that stitch tight. And then continue on until you get to the end of your line. So bring the needle back up through here and back down through here. This is very similar to a stem stitch, but in this example with an outline stitch, you bring the needle up and down on the line, whereas with a stem stitch, you alternate it slightly so it's on a slight horizontal. So again, keep going. So down on the line, up in between the two stitches and pull that stitch tight. And then keep going. Until you reach the end. We'll finish off our last stitch. And that is how you do an outline stitch.